Okay, we're getting ready to turn this. The inside diameter of the top piece here is just under 3 7/8. So what we have to do is we have to turn in on the edge here, or here, to create a lip that will just the loose side of snug fit into the lid here, into the lid inset. And that's the first order of business. Then we'll determine how wide a lip we need here to hold the lid on when the Smudge pot is not in use. And then we'll turn out the inside here. Now I can't talk to the video while I've got my protection on, so you'll just have to follow along as best you can. So that's what we're going to do first. First, knock this down a bit so we can create a lip that'll hold the lid, and then we're going to carve out the inside, and that's where the smudge goes. When we're done here, we're not going to sand or finish this area. Smudge is put on here and it's burnt in this bowl, and sanding is just a waste of time, and finishing can provide toxic fumes when there's burning material in there. So you're going to constantly see me turning a little bit off, trying the lid. I want to get it down to that, like I say, the loose side of snugness.